Okay, students, in last class, as the last Thursday, we have discussed about the binary file handling. We completed the entire text file in the file handling chapter, and now we enter into the binary file. Okay, so how to use the binary file in a write mode and read, how to do the operations and all, we are seeing it. Okay, so let me go to the slide. Okay, these files we have seen. Okay, how to open a binary file for writing mode. You can see message equal to normal data. There is a data type. We are storing the data will come into the variable msg. Okay, so we are opening the file. That file handle is f equal to, yes Gautam, you raised your hand. What's your doubt, please?
Sir, no doubts.
Okay, so let me continue. F equal to open of myfile.bin. I already said the binary file extension, it may be bin or dat. Dat means data file, bin means binary file. Okay, so we can use either one of the file format in order to open a binary file. Okay, so wb, I already said w and all we have seen, that is the write mode. B is denoting binary mode. This we have seen. I just do a recap for that because of the gap, okay, between the last class. Okay, and next one, encode function. Can anyone explain what is encode function, or what is the use of encode function? We have discussed. Can you recall that encode function?
It will encode our written message into the file.
Encode? No. You have said something, and can you give some clarity?
In
Yes, sir.
file, the data should be encoded, sir.
Encoded means?
Not in the form which we have written.
Very good, very good. So I from the word of Harit, I just continuing this one. So encode means we cannot directly write a original data type into the binary file. Original data type means it may be integer, float, string. So these data types and all not allowed in the binary file. Okay, then you may ask the question, what type of data type will be allowed in the binary file? Means only it is from the name itself we can understand binary format only. Okay, so it is in the zeros and one only. Okay, that will be, we can use it, we can store it. Okay, so for that the encode function we are using it. What is the use of encode function? Means the encode function will convert the original data type into binary format. Okay, that is the use of encode function. The encode function will encode it, what is the original data type, to binary format. Okay, so here you can see msg contains some string data type that is converting into the binary format. Then we are writing it. You can see f dot write off. We are after encoding, then we are writing into the file using the file object f. F is a file object for myfile.bin. Okay, we are writing into the file. And another one format, if you are directly giving a string, means you can see to Python learning is a string. Directly, instead of storing into the variable, if you are directly giving a string, means it should be prefixed. It should be before itself prefixed with the letter B. You can see this letter B, it should be prefixed. That is necessary for the binary one. This we have seen in the last class. Let me go to the next one. Okay, so this function, how to read from a binary file. Okay, in read mode, you can see we are opening the file by using the file handle is f, and we are opening this rb. R is denoting, as you know, it is a read mode. B is binary format. Okay, so we are opening the binary file. Okay, then you can see msg equal to f dot read. Okay, so it will read the entire data. As you know, read function without passing the argument means what will happen? It will read all the content from the file that we are storing into the. Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
myfile.bin means file name, sir.
File name, yeah, file name. I already said no. bin is a file
Then,
extension.
sir, dot text means.
Txt means it's a text file. There is the file
Okay.
extensions. Likewise, for MS Word, not doc we are using, no, documents. PPT means .ppt, isn't it?
Yes,
Excel
sir,
means
understood, sir.
XLS. Likewise, it's a file extension. Okay. Did you see MSG? We are reading by using the read function. We are read all the data from the file and store in the variable MSG. Okay. Then we are printing the MSG. You can see the first print statement. What it is printed? B, welcome to Python learning. Okay, actually the real concept is real data is what? Welcome the exclamatory symbol to Python learning. That is the real content, real data. But B is appended. Why, you know? Can you understand? Because we didn't decode it. Okay. Without decode means the B letter will be appended, sir, not appended, it will be prefixed with the data. Okay, that is the first thing. And next you can see the next print statement, print msg dot decoded. Now you can understand what is the use of decode function. The decode function convert the binary format to the original data type. We have seen in the last class, last program, encode function. Encode is what it will do. Original format to binary format, original data type to binary format. Here decode function, it is used to convert the binary format to original data type. Now after we are converting, you can see the second print statement. What is the output of second print statement? You can see welcome to Python learning only. The B is, the letter is not appended because it is converted already into the original data type. We are closing the file. Have you cleared with the how to read, how to write into the binary file? Have you thorough in this concept? Is it okay? Yeah, okay. Let me go to the next one. This is an important function also too. It may useful for your project also. Okay, so listen very carefully, because in this project you might understand this. Okay, program to create binary file and store few records in it. How to get the file, how to read the data and how to store into the binary file. Let you see, size of record equal to 20. What is the use? Let I will tell that. We are predefining the size of record, that is 20. Okay, merely it is a variable. Size of record is a variable, that the value we are storing it. After that you can easily understand why we are making like that means. Okay, now you can see we are opening a file with statement. Okay, with open. What is the advantage of with statement? Can anyone say what is the use of or advantage of with statement in last
We
program?
no need to take it again, sir.
Yes, Sarit.
At last, we no need to close it again.
Yeah, of course. It will, the with statement will provide the guarantee for the data to be stored in the file, as well as it automatically will close the file. Okay, we no need to, as you said, we no need to manually close the file. Okay, let me come to this. With open name.dat. I already said dat means a data file. Okay, that is also type of binary file. Names.dat is a file we are opening in write mode. We are opening it. Okay, the file object is fv given. Okay, as f colon. Okay, then you can see answer equal to y, because in order to execute the while loop. Okay, then you can see while answer dot lower, we are converting the variable y into lowercase. Already is in lower only, so not an issue. It will convert into the lowercase. Equal to y, condition true. Condition true means what will happen? The loop will be started to execute. Okay, name equal to input of, you can see the line by line, you can follow the pointer. Okay, name equal to input of enter name. We are getting the name, that is we are storing in the variable name. Okay, then l equal to len of name. Okay, for example, I will go with an example output. Amit is a one name. Okay, Amit is a one name we entered. Okay, what is the len of this Amit? Can you say?
3, sir.
How it is 3? Length, man.
4, sir. 4.
Yeah.
4.
Len is 4. Okay, now you can see name equal to name plus size of record minus L. What is name equal to name plus what is size of record?
4.
4, sir.
No. What is size of record? 20.
20, sir.
Defined in the starting, no? Yeah. 20
Yes,
minus L. What is L? Len of name.
4.
4.
4.
Minus 4.
16.
16. You can see we are doing the string replication. 16 into spaces, multiplying with the replicating with the spaces. Okay. So how many spaces will be replicated? 16 spaces will be replicated. Okay. The
Yes.
spaces also. You already know each space is considered as one character, no? So the 16
Yes, sir.
white space also added with the name. What is name? Amit plus 16 character, that will be added again, stored in the name itself. Okay, so what is the now name contains means Amit, then 16 white spaces. Okay, because why we are doing like that means in order to access the record very easily. Next program you can understand it very quickly. Okay, then you can see name equal to name dot encode. We are encoding the name from the string data type to binary format that we are storing in the same variable name. Okay, now name is encoded. Now you can see f dot write of name. Okay, we are writing the name into the file. What is the file name? Can anyone say what is the file name?
Names.
Names.dat. What is the file
Names
object?
dot dat.
Which is the file object?
F, sir.
F is a file object. You can see f dot write of name. So we are writing the data into the file. Okay. Then answer we are asking input of any mode. Suppose y if I given means the loop will execute. If I give other than y means what will happen? The loop will terminate. Have you understand this concept now? Have you understood this concept? The last line.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go to this next one. You can see likewise it is asking
Sir.
that. Yes, please, Gautam.
F dot write of name means what, sir?
We are writing the data into the file. No, normal method by using
Okay,
the write function. We are writing the data. What is name means encoded name. We are stored it. Actually, it contains Amit plus 16 characters. Okay, that we return.
Sir.
Yes.
That 16 rows will be printed in the output, sir.
16, yeah, 16 spaces. 16 spaces will be printed also. If you suppose we print the
Okay.
file means that is also stored. Okay, because as you know, each space also can occupied 1 byte. No, 1 byte. No, it's a considered as a character only.
Yes,
On the file. Yeah, that's what. Okay, let you see how they executed. Let you check it. Amit, that is added. They are giving y. That y is converted to the lowercase. Again, it is getting the input. Vikas, Sumit, Nitin, Sanjay. Likewise, they entered the 5 names. Okay. Finally, they given n. Then n will be converted into the while loop. Okay. N will be converted into that is stored in answer. No ans. So it will be converted into the lowercase. N equal to y. Condition true or condition false. Then the loop will be failed to execute. It's terminated. Okay. Let you see how the data is stored. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Amit, you can see this. Amit plus 16 spaces. Vikas, how many spaces will be there in the Vikas character? Vikas is 5 letters. No, 15 spaces.
15 spaces.
Sumit also 15 spaces. Nitin also 15. Then Sanjay, of course, spaces is there. 14 spaces will be there.
14. 14.
Likewise, the data will be stored in the same line because we didn't use /n. We didn't give /n. That's what all the data will be stored in a single line only. Okay, that is the notable
Yes,
changes is how to understand. Okay, have you understand this program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is we have to how to store the data into the file. Let me go to the next file. You can understand. Okay, now you can see access a record. We already stored the data into the file. Now we need to access the record. Okay, from the file. Okay, that is the next thing. How to access a record from the file. Okay, now you can see randomly means we can give a record number. Okay, for example, 5 records we store. No, that is 5 numbers, 5 names we store. No. So I want to know the 4th name. Who is the 4th name? Who is the 5th name? I want to check means very easy. Let you see this. Now you can understand what is the use of this variable. Size of record equal to 20 means. Okay, you can see this. As you know, size of record is a variable that is 20 we given. Num equal to int of input of enter record number. So we are asking the record number. For example, suppose as per the output, suppose if I give 3 means num value will be 3. Okay, then you can see with open we are opening the file rb, that is reading mode. We are opening the file handle is f. Okay, we given is f is a file handle. Okay, then I want to introduce one new functions to you. Very carefully you understand. New function, that is seek function. You can see seek function. What is the
Searching function?
no, it is not searching function. Seek, seek. You can see this I highlighted. Okay, what is the use of the seek function means it will keep the pointer to the desired location. Okay, for example, let me ask one question to you. For example, if I open a file in read mode, where the file pointer will be there, that we discussed in the previous classes.
Starting, sir.
Where?
Starting.
Starting. Very good. It will be the file pointer will be in the starting. Suppose I will ask another question. If I open a file in append mode, where the file pointer will be there?
Ending.
Very good.
At
Ending.
the end.
Yes, at the end of the file pointer will be there. Okay, now we want to move the file pointer to the desired location. I want the file pointer will be in the fifth place. Okay, I want to keep the file pointer in the 10th place, or sorry, 10th position. That word may be correct. Okay, 10th position. How we can do means by the help of seek function, seek. Okay, the seek function is used to keep the file pointer at the desired location. Okay, or desired position. That will be proper. Okay, desired position. Let you see. I will see that f dot seek of size of record. What is size of record? What is size of record?
20, sir.
20.
20.
20 into num minus 1. What is num? Suppose
Record number by the user.
yeah, for example, enter by the user. Suppose we entered 3 means 3 is a num. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So
2.
size of record into 2. What is the thing? 20 into 20. What is the thing?
40.
40. Now where the file pointer will be there?
40th position.
So
40th position.
as you know, each record size is 20. We fixed, no. For example, Amit plus 16 character white spaces. Likewise, we done in the last program, no. So first 20 is first record. Second 20 is second record. Okay. So 20 plus 20, 2 records are over. Now pointer is where? In the position of 40th position. After completed the second record, the pointer is there. Now you can see str equal to f dot read of size of record. What is size of record? 20, no. So it will read the next 20 character. After the 20, next 20 character will read. What is the next 20 character? 41 to 60. Am I right?
16 spaces and name of Sumit.
No, no, not Sumit. For example, we are entering. Yeah, of course, correct. What you said is correct. Sumit is a data. Okay. Then actually the record is contained. We are how we return into the file. Sumit plus the 16 character. No, sorry, 15 characters. No, 15 white spaces. No. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that we record. Actually, what is the record contain means Sumit plus that is Sumit with 15 white spaces. That is the record.
15 white spaces.
Yes. Now you can see we are reading the first 20. I mean the 20 character after the pointer. We already keep the pointer in the 40th position. Next we are adding. We are asking to read the next 20 characters. The next 20 character means Sumit plus the 15 white spaces will be read in the str. Okay, it will be stored in the str. Okay, so str is a variable. Okay, now you can see if len of str equal to 0, if it is 0 means incorrect position it want to come. Now what is the len of str? What is the len of str? What is the len of str?
5, sir.
Huh?
5.
How it is 5? What is the record? Actually, it read the 20 character, no. By f dot
20, sir.
yeah, f dot read of size of record. What is size of record? 20. So next 20 characters is read means Sumit plus 15 white space is also read, no. So total is 20. What is the length of str? Now it is 20. 20 equal to 0, condition false. Condition false means what will happen? Print str dot decode because it is in the binary format, no. So we need to decode it. Okay. So once we decode means we got the original data type, that is Sumit. Have you understand? If I enter the 3, it will read the third record. For example, a record database, a file contains 100 names. Okay, suppose you want to know the who is the, for example, the record number is record ID. Let me take in your project also. Okay, enter your ID. My ID is number 3. Suppose if I enter 3 means it will display my name. Have you understand, students? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is what we are. What is it? This is a program will helpful to you in your project also too, or else normal method also. This is one of the practical program. Okay. So how to access a record by its number, by its record number. Okay. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, can you explain this function alone again?
Which function, pa?
F dot seek.
I didn't understand. Yes.
F dot seek.
Yeah, seek function. I will tell that this line alone I will explain to you. Listen, students, rest of the students also. Okay, f dot seek, 1 minute. Okay, the f dot seek actually the seek function is used to move the pointer. It will move the pointer to the desired location or the required location. Okay, suppose I want the pointer to be in the 10th location, 10th position, not location, position. 10th position means how we can use it? By using the seek function. The seek function will keep the pointer in the desired location or the desired position. Okay, now you can see we are passing one argument only. What is the argument? Size of record into num minus 1. Num value is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 20. 40 is we are passing it. Actually, we are passing 40. Okay, so seek 40 means what will happen? It will keep the seek function. I already said this function will keep the file pointer at the position which we mention as an argument. So pointer 40 will be, it will keep the pointer at the 40th position. Harith, are you understood? Did you understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, pa. Okay. Let you people execute this program manually in your mobile or in PC, then you can get the more clarity also too. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, let me go to the next program. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see this is the program to search a name in binary file and display the record name. Previous program, what we given? We given the record name number and we are getting the name of the record. Name, there's a data which we stored in the record. Okay, now what is the thing? We are giving the name as a input. Okay, then we have to find the name is located or decided in the which location, which record name, record number. Okay, here what is the thing? We are given the name as a input and getting the record number. Have you understand this concept of this program, pa? Have you understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Let me go to this next this program, import OS. This is a new module, we are going to use it. Okay, actually if you want to know the size of the file, whatever file, for example, size of the file means, for your understanding, I will tell some example. If you store a song in your mobile or your song in MP3 song in your computer, the file size is there, no, that is we are saying it is hey, this song is 4 MB, likewise we are saying no. Have you understand? This what is the thing? This video is, this movie is 1.2 GB. It is a very HD clarity. Likewise, we are saying no. That is what? That is file size. Have you understand what is file size?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me come to this. In order to know the file size, then we have to use one function, that is get size function. You can see this, but I will uncheck it. Get size function. By using the get size function, we can get the size of the each file, whatever file it may be. Okay, so not an issue. It will return what is the memory location of the file. Sorry, memory hold of the file. What is the properties? What is the size of the file? Okay, that is a that it will return, that it will tell. Okay, for that we are using the OS. Okay, OS is a module, path is a submodule. Okay, so path is a submodule. Get size is a function name. Okay, it will take the file name as an argument. Have you understand the what is why we are using imported OS? Have you understood? Yes, students, please rejoin the meeting. The time is about to complete. Please rejoin it. Okay, immediately. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, pa. 1 minute. It is about to close it. Okay, students, let me continue it. Others may join in between. Let you see this. So in this program, we are getting that we already discussed. We are getting the name, and the program want to tell which record, what is the record number of the file of the data. Okay, or the record. That we have to see that. We have discussed about the import OS. What is the use of OS function? Okay, because in order to get the file size, okay, if you
The
want to
file
know,
size.
yeah, if you want to know any file size means we have to use get size function. The get size function is defined inside the OS module. So for that purpose, we imported the OS. Okay, why we need to get the file size, sir? That's your maybe your next question means you can get the clarity automatically in the next line. Okay, so you can see size equal to OS dot path dot get size function. I already said the get size function will get the file size, entire file size that we stored in the variable size. Okay, now you can see size of file equal to size. For example, 1 GB means 1 GB. Okay, 1 MB means 1 MB. 10 KB means 10 KB. It will print the 10 number only. It will print. It won't print the KB and all. Okay, KB that file memory unit won't print. Okay, just number only.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, while storing in the binary file, if we store in the alphabetical order, means we can easily find, no, sir, the name.
Alphabetical order. For example, storing the data. That is, we need to set another criteria. No, store the data. For example, you are creating a employee database. Okay, first 10 employees are joined. We enter the data in alphabetical order. 11th employee, suppose one employee is joining in our company or in our factory, but his name is start with A. Then how can you join it? We have to insert in the second position. No. Correct, no?
Yes,
Once
sir.
again, we need to sort it. It's a difficult task, no? We can do it. It is not like that. We can do, but it is a very lengthy process. Okay, again, once again, we need to sort all the names. Once again, we need to write the data into it. Okay, so that is the one thing. And second thing, if you want to access your data, definitely, for example, two names. For example, Anand is a name. Okay, two Anands are working in the same institution. Okay, how can you access it? If you asking the record means it will record number, it will tell first and second also to know.
Sir, with the help of their initial, sir.
That's what, yeah, of course. For example, last program we have seen enter the record number means it will tell that no. So we have to use this one only. That will be better. Then or else,
Okay.
as you said, we need to go through the entire name with the initial, all those things. That is good. That is another one way also too. Okay, let me come to this program. So it's printing the size of the file. Next you can see numrec. It is a variable equal to int of size divided by size of record. What is size? Suppose the size is 100 KB means. Okay, or else 100 bytes means 100 divided by size of record. What is size of record? What is size of record? 20, no?
20.
Yeah. So 100 divided by 20, what is the output?
5.
5.0. Yeah, of course. Whenever we are doing division, it will return in the form of floating data type. That is the basic information you have to keep in your mind, because this type of tricky questions will be asked. 5 and 5.0, not a big difference. Same thing only, same number only. But output, suppose they will give a program, they are asking the output in the exam, I'm saying. Okay. Suppose how you can do it, if you write 5 means the answer will be wrong. Okay, you have to mention 5.0. Okay, let me come to this point. Okay, so 5.0 will be there. So we are converting so far, we are so that we are converting into the integer data type. So number 5 will be stored in the numrec if the file size is 100 means. Note this. Okay, suppose that is stored in the number 5 will be stored in the numrec variable. Let you see number of record equal to 5. So as you know that each record size is 20, no, as we stored 5 names we stored. So what? How many records are there? Total size is what? Each record is 20 means 5 records means 100. That is the file size. Okay, divided by the size means we can get the number of records. Have you understand this concept? Have you understand this line, Pa? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Others are what you are going to. Okay. Let me come to this one. With open, we are opening the file with the with statement. In the write mode, we are opening it. File handle is fv given. Okay. N equal to input of enter the name to search. Okay. Suppose I want to search a name, whether it is in the database or not. Okay. I enter the name. That is, we stored in the N variable N. Okay. N equal to N dot encode, because how the file will be, how the data will be stored in the binary file. In the encoded version only, no. In the encoded format only, it will store, no. So that's what we are encoding. So convert into the binary format. Okay, that encoded one we are stored in the again the variable N, same N. Okay, so now the N is contained the encoded name in the binary format name. Okay, now you can see next to position equal to 0, found equal to false. These are the variables we are going to use in the loop. Okay, let you see this. Now you can understand what is the use of function, position, what is the use of found variable. Okay, now you come to this. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, for I in range of numRec, what is numRec value? What is numRec value?
5.0, sir.
No, we are converted into int. No,
5.
yeah, we are converting into int. Now numRec value is 5. Okay, so how many times the loop will execute? 5 times.
Five
Yeah,
times.
0 to 4 it will execute. Now you can see f dot seek of position. What is position value? What is position value? You can see this 0. Okay, could you understand? Position equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
Yeah, now we are keeping the pointer in the 0th position. Automatically it will be, by default it will open in the 0th position. After the loop we want to keep in the position. No, let me check it. Okay, so suppose if I search the second record, what is the second name we given? Let me see, refer the last program. What is the second name? Vikas. Okay, so suppose we are going to read the, I entered the data Vikas because I want to search it. Let you see this. F dot seek of 0, so pointer will be in the 0th position. Okay, string equal to, that is str equal to f dot read of 20, so first 20 character is read, that is stored in str. Okay, now you can see if n in str, what is n? Can you say what is n?
Variable, sir.
That is variable. What it contain?
Name, sir.
Encoded name. No, correct, encoded name.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
because the str also read the data in the binary format only, we didn't decode it. So far str also in encoded one, and n also, that is name also in the encoded one. So whether the name is present, for example, I entered Vikas only, actually the data is what? Vikas plus 15 characters. Have you understand? So str contains what? Vikas plus, I mean first name is what? Amit. No, Amit plus 20 characters. What is n? N only contain what? Vikas only. Suppose the second character, sorry, the name if I typed Vikas means. Okay, let you check. Vikas in str, Vikas in Amit, and the spaces, whether it is true, whether it is true. If condition
No,
is
sir.
no, condition is false, then you
Sir.
can yes, yes.
Sir, once again repeat that if condition.
Yeah, I will repeat it. Now you can see f dot seek position. Position value is what? 0. No, so the file pointer will be where? And the first position.
At the
Okay.
0th position.
Yeah, 0th position. Suppose I entered the name is Vikas, Vikas. I want to search the name Vikas. Okay, that is after encoded we stored in the variable n. Okay, no? Okay, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me come to that. Str equal to, you can see this point. Str equal to f dot read of 20. So first 20 character, because position is 0, no? Position value is 0. The file pointer in the 0th position. First 20 character will read. That is 1 to 20 character it will be read. That is stored in the str variable. Okay. So n in str. Next we are checking the if condition. Okay. If n in str, what is n? Decoded format of
Encoded format of name.
Vikas, because suppose we enter the name Vikas means, right? Okay, what is the str may contain? First 20 character what we entered, can you recall it?
First
Amit.
name Sumit.
Amit, A-M-I-T. You can see this, I will show also. You can see first name is Amit. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me come to this.
Amit and 16 spaces.
16
Very good,
spaces.
very good, very good. So Amit and 16 spaces are there. That is a totally 20 character. So whether because in Amit condition false only, no? Have you
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah, condition false. If it is condition false means what will happen? Inside the if condition it won't go. Then you can see position equal to position plus size of record. That is position plus equal to size of record means position equal to position plus size of record. What is size of record?
20.
20. What is the position value? 0.
20.
So
Zero.
hey, so far 0 only, no?
0, sir. 0.
Yeah. 0 equal to 0 plus 20, that is 20. Now what is the new position value? 20. Correct, no? Now the position is
Yes, sir.
20. Let you check it. Again the loop will execute for I in range of number, that is now it is value is 1 will be assigned. Okay. So next time the loop will execute, you can see f dot seek position of, now position value is 20. No, what will happen? The file pointer will goes to the seek function will keep the file pointer in the 20th position, right? Have you understand? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can see this str equal to f dot read of 20, that is 20 means next 20 character it is asking to read. What will happen? Next 20 character is what?
Compare the user's name with the second 20
Yeah,
name.
of course. Suppose we entered the second character is what? I will show the previous program. Second name is we entered what? Vikas. That is our searchable name also too. Have you understand? So what is the next
Yes,
20
sir.
character may contain? Okay, let you come to this program. Vikas plus
Vikas and
15
spaces.
white spaces, that is stored in str. Okay, if n in str, what is n? Decoder format of Vikas, no? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Then str is what? Decoder format of Vikas plus 15 character. So Vikas present in the Vikas, I mean this record. Condition true, no? The n is present in the
Yes, sir.
str only, no? Condition true. Condition true means what will happen? This function, I mean this statement will execute. What is the thing? Print of found record, found at record hashtag. Okay, we are asking to print the statement I plus 1. What is I? First value, what is now? Before
1, sir.
0 will be assigned, now it is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Because
2.
okay, no, because in the second record, no, that's what. Automatically it will be iterated. For loop sake, that is 0 to 4. For record numbering is what? 1 2 3 only, no, that is it start from 1 only, no, record number is 1, like this only we have to say. Now you can see record founded to 2, it will print found equal to true. Now before found value is what? False. What is the use of these things? Let you understand. Found value is false before. Now what is the found value? We are converting into true. Okay, position equal to position plus size of record, then it will, the file pointer will goes to the rest of the things. Okay, the for loop will be within, what is the thing? The for loop will be completed. Have you understand? Actually we didn't use the break statement, then what will happen? It will search the next record also too. Okay, third record it will search, fourth record it will search, fifth record it will search. For example, let me see, Anand is a 2 name is similar 1. Suppose same spelling, same initial also too. Suppose we didn't giving the initial means. Okay, so it will print all the names which we searched. Vikas is found, 2 Vikas are working in the in our institution, means Vikas found in second record. Okay, and it is found in fourth record. Then it will found the name where it is presented. Have you understand, students? Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose
Yes,
it will execute it. Suppose I entered Bhaskaran. The name is not entered in the file. Then what will happen? Every time the loop will execute all the 5 records, but it is no match is found. If condition is not satisfied, then what will happen? At last file pointer will be goes to the last position. Next, what is the thing? The for loop is completed. No. If not found, what is found value? False only. Correct? No. If it is found
Sir.
means, if it is goes inside the if condition means, then only the found value will be changed into true.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is not match means, what will happen? The found value is false only, no. So let you see,
Yes, sir.
not false means what? Actually found value is false. Not false means, what is the not false?
If condition.
If not false. If not false means what is the value? If not true. Correct, no?
True.
Of course. So if not found means what will happen? Name is not found. It will print the message. Have you understand? For that purpose only we are keeping found equal to false, like this we are keeping it. We are keeping the boolean value. Okay. Or else we can keep it found equal to 0. Here found equal to 1, we can change it. Whatever thing, it is our convenient only. Have you understood this program?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma.
sir, a string is in binary format, sir.
Of course, string in the binary. I didn't get your question properly. Can you ask it again?
If
Yes.
string is in binary format, sir.
STR is in binary format only. Actually, what is STR? We are reading the from the file 20 characters. We are reading the 20 character from the file with the file handle F. F is denoting what? Names.data. Whereas we are opening the file. We open the file here, names.data. Okay, we are open the file with the file object F. Okay, so we read the 20 character. How the data will be stored in the file? Because it is binary file, no. How we are
Yes,
returned?
sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah, it is in this encoded form only, ma. Have you
Sir?
understood, ma? Yes. Yes.
Sir, now our search is matched to the for loop, sir.
Okay.
Then what is the meaning of found is equal to true from the text length?
That we are converting now. What is the thing? Found equal to true. That is, we are keeping the. I will tell that. I will tell. For example, if it is found means, for example, I will tell because we searched, no. Because we searched, no.
Yes, sir.
We found the value. We printed. Okay. After the for loop, what is the next statement? If condition is there, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If not true. Okay. If not true, that is we converting is a true. What is found? It is true. Not true means what? False only, no.
Sir?
Actually, listen very carefully. For example, we found the Vikas data. Okay, that character. Okay. Now what is the thing? We are changing the value, no. Found equal to true. We given, no. We changed the value, no. Now what is the value of found? True. Correct, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are changing that. Just we can keep 0 and 1 also if you are confusing me. For example, if the record is not found means what will happen? It is not true, no. If the record is not found means so far it won't, the value will not change. So far the found value is false only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once it is found means the found value will be changed into true. Okay. Then whenever it's come to thing, if not found value is true means if not true. If it is not true, found value is not true. It is true only. So condition false means the print statement will not print. Very simple. I will explain it. Okay. Found equal to 0. Here we are making found equal to 1. Okay. If found equal to 0 means print the name is not found. When the found value will be 0, whenever we didn't change this value means. Have you understand, Gautam? Have you understood? It is like
Yes,
a
sir,
flag.
but sir, but instead of that found statement, we can use a break statement after that print, no, sir.
Why not? Definitely we can. One actually it want the program want to find all the names. For example, many Vikas are there, no. Suppose if it is means we discuss, no, 2 Anand are there means what will happen like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, for that purpose they didn't use the break statement. Okay, it will search all the records. Okay, that is the case. You people start to execute in your computer also this program, then you can get the more idea about it. Have you understood this program?
Sir, one more
Yes.
doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if n in string means n equal to string, we are checking, sir.
No. N in string, in operator, not in operator. Membership operator we are using. N contains some character, no. M contains some character, encoded character. That character whether present in the STR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is found means definitely what is the N may contain? Vikas will be in the encoded form. What is the STR may contain? Vikas plus 15 spaces in the encoded form, right? No. Anyhow, the encoded form will get matched, no.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah, that's the concept.
Yes.
Okay, students. Rest of students, did you all understood? Do you understand this
Yes,
program?
sir.
Okay, okay, students.
Understood,
Very
sir.
nice to see you. Okay, bye to all.